Hello everyone, in this Angular tutorial video, we'll learn the difference between template-driven form and reactive forms in Angular 12. In Angular, we have two different types of forms. The first is template-driven forms and second one is reactive forms. In template-driven forms, here we use directive and attributes in our template to provide behaviors and validations. Reactive forms are the forms in which specify the structure of the form in component class. Template-driven forms are created by using directives ngForm and ngModel. Reactive forms are created by using FormGroup, FormControl, FormBuilder. In template-driven forms, the data model is unstructured. In reactive forms, the data model is structured. In template-driven form, we import the Formsmodule to app.module.ts file. In reactive form, we'll import the ReactiveFormsmodule to app.module.ts file. In template-driven form, we don't have control over the instance of FormControl. In reactive form, we have control over the instance of FormControl. Template-driven forms are asynchronous. That means it does not wait for each operations to complete. Instead, it executes all the operations in first go itself. Reactive forms are synchronous. It means it executes the next operation only when each operation is completed. Once the query has finished executing to get all the results from database, then console.log command will be executed. So these are the difference between template-driven forms and reactive forms in Angular 12. I have already explained the example on template-driven form and reactive form in Angular 12. You can watch by clicking link which is mentioned in description box. Please subscribe to our channel. Help us to grow. Thanks for watching.